បាទសួស្តីបងប្អូនអរគ្នា Okay, hello everyone. Today we study about English slang and English idiomatic phrase. So I'll tell you some word or some slang word or some idiomatic phrase in English or British slang. Okay, for you easy to understand or the British people. Yeah, and how to speak English. Okay, that most of the English people use sometimes they speak in slang. Okay, now we study about the word box. Box in slang mean toilets. Box mean toilets. Okay, in slang word we always say toilets. For example, like box roll. You say box roll mean toilet roll. Okay, this is an easy way that you can understand of the British slang. Box roll means toilet roll. I hope you pay attention about the action or speaking and take care. Then try to listen to them. Sometimes they use box roll or toilet roll. Sometimes they use box papers or toilet papers. Okay, this is all the English slang or British slang. They say box paper. Sometimes some people say toilet paper. Some people say box papers. Okay, so you can understand the British slang. So it is easy way for you to speak English with the British people. The people from UK, United Kingdom. Okay. For example, we have run out of box papers. We have run out of box papers. Okay, it means that we don't have box paper, we don't have toilet paper. Or we can say we run out of toilet paper, we run out of toilet rolls. Okay, it is an easy way for you to speak. Okay, sometimes they say we have run out of box papers, we run out of toilet papers, we run out of toilet rolls or box rolls. Okay, and this is one more example about the box. Box means toilets. Okay, you know already about the word box. So I'm just going to nip to the box. I'm just going to nip to the box. Mean I quickly go to toilets. I'm just going to nip to the box. Nip mean go quickly. Okay, mean go quickly. I'm just going to go quickly to the toilets. Okay, this is it meaning the easy way for you to speak. Okay, I hope you understand all this. Please subscribe my videos or share my video to your friend or your classmate. Okay, I hope you all understand about this. Anyway, thank you for you listen or for watch our videos. Okay, now we have one more the slang words, English slang. Cheese does. Cheese does mean disappoint or annoyed. A cheese does for the British slang. Cheese does it means that disappointed or annoyed. Disappointed with someone or disappointed with some things. You can say cheese does. Okay, it is an easy way for you to speak English. For example, like she's a bit cheesed with her job. She's a bit cheesed with her job. Okay, I hope you understand this. Mean she a bit cheesed with her job. Mean she is disappointed with her job. Means she's a bit disappointed with her job. Means something like she doesn't like her job or something like that, or disappointed, or her job annoys her or something like. So for you to understand this slang word, if someone to use it, say cheesed up, mean disappointed. Okay, the other slang mean flogs. Okay, one more slang in English slang. Flog means sell. We want to sell something or something like that. If flog means sell. Okay, it is the English saying that I try to help you that you can understand some of the English slang. Okay, now we study the word slang. Yeah? The word flog means sell. Okay, for example, he tried to flog his old car, but no one would buy it. He tried to flog his old car, but no one would buy it. អូខេមានន័យថាគាត់ព្យាយាមលក់ឡានប៉ុន្តែអត់មានអ្នកណាទិញណាឡានចាស់របស់គាត់ប៉ុន្តែអត់មានអ្នកណាទិញទេ He tried to flog his old car but no one would buy it. Okay, he tried to flog his old car but no one would buy it. Yeah, I hope you understand this. Flog means sell. So just remember if flog in slang or British slang mean for the simple word that most the English people say and speak at home, they say flogs. He tried to flog his old car. Flogs mean ភាសាផ្សារខ្មែរយើង in ខ្មែរមានភាសាផ្សារ in slang ណា Okay, slang មានភាសាផ្សារនៅពេលយើងទៅផ្សារយើងឮគេនិយាយអ្វីៗគ្រប់ប្រភេទណា Okay, ប៉ុន្តែមានន័យសាមញ្ញធម្មតាណាបាទ Okay, here are some more British slang នេះដែរគឺជាភាសា slang ភាសាផ្សាររបស់អង់គ្លេសបន្ថែមខ្លះៗទៀត Okay, here are some more British slangs like easy-peasy. Yeah, easy-peasy. It means very easy, mean it's not difficult, mean very easy. Easy-peasy. Okay, easy-peasy. Okay, mean it very easy. Simple when we always say very easy or not difficult. Okay, this one more slang called jammy. Jammy mean lucky. Okay, it's jammy. You pronounce jammy mean lucky. Okay, now we continue our lesson. So this time we study about the idiomatic phrases. Idiomatic phrases mean like in Khmer say សំនួនវោហារស័ព្ទ clear សំនួនវោហារស័ព្ទ clear សំនួន idiomatic phrase the way we say I don't feel well នៅពេលណាដែលយើងចង់និយាយថា I don't feel well ខ្ញុំមិនស្រួលខ្លួន in English okay I don't feel well. Okay, we have many ways to say I don't feel well in English, especially you have to understand these idiomatic phrases like I don't feel well mean sometimes say I feel sick, I am unwell. Okay, I feel sick, I am unwell mean I don't feel well. Okay, this is the way that you want to say I don't feel well. We can say I feel sick, I am unwell, I'm under the weather. Okay, I'm under the weather. Sometimes we can say I feel under the weather. Okay, or sometimes we can say I feel lousy. Okay, I feel lousy. Lousy mean really bad. Okay, lousy mean bad. Lousy feel, oh, I'm very lousy, I feel sick, I'm unwell, I'm under the weather, or I don't feel well. This is the way you can speak in the same meaning. You say I don't feel well. If you want to say I don't feel well, sometimes you can say I'm sick, I'm unwell, I'm under the weather, I feel lousy. This is the way that you can speak in English idiomatic phrase that most of the English people can understand you very well if you pronounce it correctly. Yeah. Okay. This time we study one more. If we want if we want to ask someone to wait us or something like that, this is the way to ask someone to wait. So you can say, hold on a minute. Yeah. This is a simple word that you always understand that you know authority. Hold on a minute or hang on a minute. Yeah. Hang on a minute or no need to hurry. Yeah. This is the way that you ask someone to wait. Sometimes you say, hold on a minute. Hold on a minute, hang on a minute, no need to hurry, or say bear with me. Yeah, it is an easy way that you could speak any of them, so most English people can understand you. So this is a British slang, British idiomatic phrases that most of the people in Britain use this. Every people can understand all this. Hold on a minute, hang on a minute, no need to hurry or bear with me. Okay, thank you so much. ដូច្នេះបើសិនបងប្អូនចង់ចេះចង់ដឹងនៅការសរសេរវេយ្យាករណ៍ជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសសរសេរពាក្យអង់គ្លេសបានត្រឹមត្រូវនោះសូមមេត្តាជួយចុច Subscribe Channel របស់យើងខ្ញុំដើម្បីទទួលបានវីដេអូថ្មីៗបន្ថែមទៀតបាទសូមអរគុណ